Hey there, and welcome to Crochet Therapy. I'm your host, Barbara, for this episode of Morning Coffee and Crochet. And I'm going to keep using my Fa La 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 Llama mug. Try and stay in the Christmas in July spirit. So anyway, yummy. I have hot coffee this morning. Oh, that's so good. Happy Wednesday, happy hump day to you. And today in this episode, I would like to share with you a book that I have. And I've had this for probably about a year. If you like cats, you are going to love this book. This book is called Dumpling Cats. And let's see. Sarah Sloyer is the author and the designer, I imagine. Crochet and collect them all, it says. And these cats are adorable. Oh my goodness. There are all kinds of cats. There's fat cats. There's cats that look like potatoes. There are diva cats and everything in between. I'm going to show you. There is, it's just so adorable because these cats, she has cats that look like cats. I don't know if you can see that. And then she has cats that look like other animals, like bees and fish. And there's one in there that even looks like a pug. There's little princess cats and a little witch cat and a little snail cat, a lion cat, a daisy cat. Just completely adorable. Wilbur is the bumblebee. Oh my goodness. It just combines all the things that you love. If you love cats, you are going to adore this book. Now, the other thing that I really like about this book is that, okay, so this one is called Tater. And anyway, this one's called Tater, and he looks like a baked potato. He's pretty big. I think that these cats, let me see what the finished size will be. Oh, finished size is 2 3/4 inches tall. So he's a fat little chubby guy, but he's not very big. But I'm just going to give you a quick glimpse. I mean, obviously I don't want to share, copyrighted material, but can you see how they have photos to show the little details of, how to stitch up the back, how to attach the feet. You put them where you want them, and then you take a little stick pin and then you crochet them on or sew them, whip stitch them on. It shows you, step by step with all of these. It also has a cat bed and a little cat dish with food and water. And look at these little guys. Are they just not adorable? In their little cat bed that you can crochet. Yes, they are adorable. That's the answer to that question. Oh my goodness. I had forgotten about this. She even has the directions to make a cardboard box, because we all know how those kitties love to crawl into cardboard boxes. Look at this. Is that just the most adorable thing? Oh my gosh. So I fell in love with this book from the start. I'm pretty sure that this is one that I got at Joann Fabric. Probably at the same time that I got that really good, really thick book. And this one also has a yellow sticker on it. So I believe that it was, in fact, I know it was on sale, but the price on it is $19.95. I know I got it on sale, so I probably got it for like $15 because I'm cheap. I like a good sale, and I don't want to spend, $20 on this book, although it is just amazing. Just the different things. The directions are amazing. The for my old eyes, the, well, you probably can't see, but the font is big. The font is easy to read. It's not a weird font. It's just very easy to read. So I don't even have to wear glasses when I'm working this, which I really like. Nothing's worse than having to, take your glasses on and off, just to read a pattern. And I like that, it's very bold. Each round 12, it tells you what to do. Rounds 13 through 21, those words are in bold so that you can follow where you are very easily. Just so many thoughtful little things put into this book that I just really appreciate it. There are some patterns here that, you just wouldn't think of. A misty, I think she's a mermaid actually, not a snail. Oh, my bad. Now that I'm looking at her, Misty is mysterious. No one knows where she came from, and her tail doesn't seem to be just a costume. She doesn't say much either, but she makes a really good omelet. So the other cats are fine with her staying. There's like little storylines to go with these patterns and these little cats. So you can just make them all and collect them all, and there's a story behind each one. Just so adorable. So I can see, making one of these little cats, and then, like this with chalk, I don't know, maybe you could copy it in color on a cardstock and cut it out like a little card to go with the little chalk, or, because they're just so cute. They're just so adorable. Anyway, this is my I'm in love kind of a book. This one, oh, his little name is Meatball. So, he's a little hefty thing. But anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you today. It's going to be a nice, quick little morning coffee and crochet. It's still too hot outside. I can't wait for the temperature to drop a little bit, but I know that that's not going to happen. So for right now, I am just going to stick with being inside for just a little bit. If I can get out there, the problem is when I go out in the morning, the humidity is so high. And so, maybe I can film the morning coffee and crochet, maybe, in an evening when the sun is behind the trees, but there's still enough light, and, and then we can, have a little chit chat. It does take a while to edit these videos. So obviously, I'm not filming it at 7:30 in the morning and posting it at 7:30 in the morning because that's just not feasible. If I did a live, then that would be different. But I have never done a live before. So until I get brave, I haven't done a live. Maybe, the next time that I go someplace spectacular, I'll do a live. And if I'm outside and I just see, a gorgeous view, maybe I'll do a live just to share it with you. I don't know. Anyway, so you just never know how brave I'll get one day. So I hope that you have a great day. I hope that that your Wednesday, that your week is going well. Today we call this our hump day, but we also call it a pivot day. That's what I've been calling it. So if your week started out, not so great, it hasn't been a great week, this is your day to pivot and make the rest of the week a good week. If your week started out really good, this is your day to make any minor adjustments that you need to make just to keep smooth sailing. And head into the weekend with, confidence and with hope. Remember, we talked about hope on Monday, and being honest and transparent with one another, and sharing love with one another, because the world really does need some extra love right now. So anyway, I hope that you're well. I hope that your family is well and that your situation is good. Keep crocheting in your heart. Keep just doing what you're doing. Let crochet be your therapy. Let crochet, the soothing movements of the yarn through your fingers, the gentle wisp of the hook. It's just all so soothing and methodical, and you can just concentrate on that soft yarn and making something. And there's just something so therapeutic in that, and I really, really love it. And I love sharing it with you, and I love it when you share it with me. So keep those comments coming, because I am eating up those comments. I love it when you guys tell me, give me an idea, or say, oh, I think that this would look great, or why don't you try this? I'm just like eating it up and just like absorbing it all. And so I'm just, keeping you all just in my thoughts. And, I'm constantly checking, did anybody say anything? Oh, and I love commenting back, and I love sharing my world with you. And thank you for sharing your world with me. So anyway, stay safe and be kind and get hooking. Bye, guys.